What's up, lovely people, ladies and gentlemen? You're welcome to Flight 203 with DJ Pips, aka Jakoda. I know how it feels when you first start trying to get in the game of Forex. I was like you feel me? Ain't nobody showing me around. But I made a mistake so you could fly. But before I proceed, $10 cash out to anybody. Anybody. And first of all, don't use Shazam. If you know the name of the song in the background, you're gonna get $10 straight to your Cash App. And that's my word. I'm a man of my word. And it only goes to the person who answers it first, okay? So let's take this seriously, people. Forex, you're trying to get in the game, baby. You already been in the game. You know why? Because Forex means foreign exchange. I know every one of you has traveled before, and if you've traveled to another country and you exchange currency, you're a forex trader. You've been doing this since the beginning of time. Whenever you travel and you exchange something, it's foreign exchange. If you exchange currency, this time around you're just doing it on your computer. And this is because the world has changed so much, and now we do everything in the digital world. I don't need to be in Ethiopia. I don't need to be in Afghanistan. I don't need to be in Argentina. I don't need to be in Australia to exchange currency. We can do it at the bottom of our palms. So this is a very powerful device. The Forex industry is $1 trillion a day industry, and the stock market is $1 billion a day. Why not get best of both worlds, people? This video is to guide you through the right steps when you first beginning in Forex, okay? I want to make sure you're in good hands, alright? Rule number one, baby. Listen, baby. Don't you go and join no random IML, okay? Listen to your man, baby. Don't you join no random IML, alright? If you're gonna join in your academy, I'm gonna suggest you join the Swaggy C Academy. That's on me, man. Listen, man, Swaggy legit. If you're gonna join your academy, go to Canada. I know a shorty in Canada, she killing it. I don't know about America, man. The IML students here only do marketing. You came to this field to do Forex. You wanna learn the trust. You wanna ball in the game. You wanna understand currencies, alright? So that's rule number one. You feeling me, shorty? That's rule number one. Just listen to me, alright? That's rule number one. Don't join no random IML. Make sure they're actually doing Forex trading. They're trading the market, okay? And don't let them show you no demo. We don't do demos. We do demo in the beginning, okay? We're doing straight facts. We want to make profits. We ain't trying to be salesmen selling market and stuff. You came to this field to bang it, alright? Don't join no random IML. Rule number two. Are you listening, shorty? Rule number two, man. You need a broker, baby. You gonna need a broker. Ain't no way around it. You gonna need somebody to keep that money so you can exchange that money, and their name is the broker. I ain't gonna force you to choose any broker, but I'm gonna suggest 2 brokers to you, okay? And you're gonna learn how to use them. Broker number 1, Forex.com, baby. Number 1 in the country of the United States of the sweet home America. The country is going through it, but it's gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Feel me? So you want a broker, baby? You want it in America or you want it overseas? I'm gonna give you best of both worlds, like I always do. In America, I must tell you to go to Forex.com, baby. Listen to your man, baby. You feel me? Forex.com. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the late night show with DJ Pips, okay? You're on Flight 203. We're talking about Forex, how to get smooth in the game. No rough patches. No misleading, straight facts. So you're gonna need a broker. Go to your app store, download Forex.com. Hit up them Forex.com people. They're nice, man. I call them all the time. I be like, yo, what's going on with my money? What's going on with my bread? They're like, we got you, baby. Listen, man, we're gonna make you secure the bag, okay? So Forex.com gonna help you out, people. Forex.com. Alright? Broker number 2 is KOT Forex. They don't do too much talking, but trust me, they're gonna get you right. They're gonna get you right. They're gonna give you that big leverage. And that's what you came in this game for, to get the bag. KOT Forex. I already made a video on that, okay? So you need those two brokers, KOT Forex and Forex.com. I don't force you to do what you want to do, you feel me? I tell you straight facts. I tell you what I've been doing that helped me out. I ain't gonna mislead you. You listening? Alright, so like I said, $10 cash up to anybody who knows the song in the background. You can't cheat. You can't do Shazam. Tell me the name of the artist and the name of the song, okay? Alright, so we taking off, baby. We about to take off. It's your flight. It's your pilot right here, baby. Alright. Rule number 4. You need to choose the right pair. You need to choose the right pair of currency. You can't just be flying around town all day and ain't doing nothing. You need to choose a currency, a metal, a stock, anything has to work around your routine. So let's say you're a swing trader, right? You can't go choosing GBP USD because that boy moves, man. He moves fast. He moves like Sonic. You want to go for AUD USD or EUR USD. You want the ones that work slow later in the day so you can manage it. You could swing it off. You feel me? Swing it off. Plus you getting bread at work and you getting bread in the Forex. Best of both worlds, okay? So choose a pair and master it. You always want to keep this simple, okay, people? Choose a pair and master it. This song cool as hell, bro. Listen, man, $10 cash out to anybody who knows the song. No cheating, no Shazam. Write in the comment section. The first person will get cash out $10, okay? Rule number 5. You need to wake your psych up, baby. You need to wake your psych up. Take out the emotions. We're human beings. Of course, you're going to be emotional about as you do this game, baby. You're going to learn how to take your emotions out. Money is money. Money's going to go. Money's going to come back. Relax. As long as you do your stop loss, you take profit. You do it the right way. You put your stop loss into profit. As you keep making progress, you're going to be flying, baby. Listen, you're going to be good. Alright? It's the late night show with DJ Pips. The first Pip DJ in Forex. Ain't no DJ in Forex like me. Alright? So you got to psych yourself up. If you like jazz music, my boy, he said he liked jazz music. He put me onto jazz music ever since. I ain't looked back. Jazz music been keeping me cool. And you know, I like Bob Marley too. But I'm sticking with the jazz music, right? Whatever keeps you calm, keeps your mental state in the right place. Alright? Rule number 6. Rule number 6. Rule number 6, baby. It's rule number 6. It's rule number 6, baby. It's rule number 6. It's DJ Pips, baby. The first DJ in Forex, man. Ain't no DJ like your boy DJ Pips, alright? Alright, rule number 6. You can't be greedy. You can't do that. You can't do that in this game, baby. They're gonna wipe your ass out. Alright? You can't be picky. You can't be picky. Alright? And you cannot be stubborn. If you see it's not going in your favor, you gotta get the hell out. Refresh your mind and get back on. You can't be unmotivated and not passionate. You gotta love it, baby. Listen, I put in 20 hours back to back like Kobe versus LeBron, baby. I was shooting them 60s and them 30s. Listen, man, I put in 20 hours, 3 months straight. 30 hours, 3 months straight. So you can't tell me your boy ain't put in the time. You can't put the time on anybody. Somebody can let it overnight. You can't blame him. That's just how good he is. Somebody could take 10 years. You can't blame him. That's just how good he is. You feel me? So that's rule number 6, man. And with God, you need vision. You need God to give you that vision. With that vision, you're going to be flying high, baby. You feel me? You're going to be flying high. You're going to cruise through the Forex with ease. Y'all put too much stress on this Forex, baby. Just put your support, your resistance, and you good. Y'all stress this too much. Like I say, the road to simplicity is complicated. Just keep it simple. Put your stop loss, you take profit, and get the hell out. You make more money that way. Stop freaking out. Just keep it cool. You're gonna make that money back, baby. Alright? I know women are emotional and they hate losing money. I know that. So this can go against them, but ladies, I believe in y'all. You're the best. I believe in you. I believe you're gonna make your way up and you're gonna hit that take profit home, alright? Once again, it's the late night show with DJ Pips, the first DJ Pips and the first DJ in Forex, okay? $10 cash out for anybody who knows the music in the background. No Shazam, baby. You can't go to Shazam, man. You can't cheat, alright? Rule number 8. Rule number 8, yo. Alright. So rule number 8. What do I write down, man? I always keep my notes right, you feel me? I always got my notes right. Oh yeah, rule number 8. You gotta create a YouTube just like your boy doing. You need to track your progress. You need to track your progress. You know why? You need to screenshot your progress. You need to track your progress. You need to see what you did wrong. And doing that, you create a YouTube video. You see what you did wrong. It holds you accountable. And you feel me? It makes you want to do better. Because now you got people learning from you. Alright? So create a YouTube channel, baby. Don't listen to what nobody gonna tell you. You're the best. Tell them DJ Pips told you that. Alright? Rule number 9. We almost there, right? Rule number 9. Alright, rule number 9. Rule number 9 is called waiting, the waiting game. I'm learning this myself, man. You gotta learn how to wait for the trade to hit that take profit. The hardest thing is waiting. People get bored because, you know, we live in a fast-paced world. They want this way, they want it fast, they want it in this time and that. Listen, if you learn how to wait and you get your wait game on Forex, you're gonna be flying high, baby. You're gonna be flying the first class ticket. I know y'all ladies want to go to Dubai. Listen, man, you gotta be patient. You let it hit your take profit. Put your stop loss into profit, alright? So that's the waiting game. Last but not the least, remember to have fun. Money is meant to improve the quality of your life. It's meant to improve the quality of your life. You're not supposed to gamble it away. You make that money, you put it in your savings account. You invest it in the stock market. You have fun with the rest of it. What do you want to do? You want to travel, go travel. You want to do charity, go do charity. Alright? The hardest part is keeping the money. We all know how to make it. So then the question is, how do we keep it? We keep it by closing. You make your profit, you get the hell out. You invest that money, you go do charity, you take care of your people. You take care of the people around you, you bless everybody around you, okay? So now rule number 10, remember to have fun. It's your boy DJ Pips with the late night show on 203, you feel me? So I showed you guys the game, I introduced you guys the game the right way. Ain't no way around it. I showed you guys the game. I gave you the blueprint. I made a mistake so you can fly smooth like that with DJ Pips, first DJ in Forex. Listen, man, listen, baby, I'm gonna get you right. If you wanna email me, it's JAYKAYDEE91@yahoo.com. Once again, JAYKAYDEE91@yahoo.com, JKD91@yahoo.com. Alright, you wanna get personal? Go to my Instagram, Goddess Ken FX. Send me a message, I'm gonna answer your question. $10 Cashapp for the first person who can tell me the name of the song in the comment section. Straight to your wallet. I don't play, I keep my word. That's my charity for the week. So I gave you all the game. You feel me? Share this to anybody who has similar interest in the Forex game. Alright, baby, listen. Like any other class, as soon as you get done with the topic, you go over the list and you're out. So the 10 rules to this game. Rule number 1. You better not join no IML, especially the ones that don't be trading. You're gonna join any IML and you're gonna join any academy, join the Swagger C Academy. Tell them DJ Pips sent you. Tell Swagger C I said DJ Pips sent you. That used to, you know, I refer them to him because Swagger C is the most legit I've seen in the game. Ken Sean Lee, Swagger C, Jeremy Cash, Q Banks, my fellow black man killing it. How can I not be inspired? Join the Swagger C Academy. If you ain't gonna learn from me, go to Swagger C. He got it. He got the game. I learned from him. I'm gonna get his course when I get myself right. Rule number 2, you need a broker. And I gave you all the 2 best brokers I know. KOT Forex and Forex.com. Rule number 3, you need dedication, direction, and vision, which comes straight from God. You need passion. Choose the right. Number 4, you gotta choose the right prayer that works for you in your schedule. Feel me? Don't go choose no random pair. If you're a swing trader, you gotta know what works for you. If you're a day trader, you gotta know what works for you. If you're an intraday trader, you gotta know what works for you. Okay, baby? Listen. Rule number 5, you need to work on your psyche. This is all psyche. You don't spend 20 hours looking at the charts. You're gonna start seeing some oasis. You're gonna start seeing water flying over on the chart. Some things you ain't never seen before. Do your analysis, put your stop loss, your take profit, and get the hell out. You did your job. Okay? Rule number 6, you can't be greedy, you can't be stubborn, you can't be lazy, you can't be unmotivated. You gotta be passionate, you gotta stay focused in the stock market game, in this Forex market game, okay? $10 cash out for anybody who knows the song in the comment section. Number 7, it's not about how you, it's always about how you start, but it is more important about how you close. Closing is the most important thing. Get your money, get the hell out, and invest it, okay? Don't be selfish. If the money keeps going up, and you're like, oh, it's gonna keep going up, it's gonna keep going up, next thing you know, bang, your ass is wiped out. It hit your take profit, get the hell out, okay? Don't be selfish. Rule number 8, you gotta create your own YouTube channel so you can track your progress. You wanna see how far you came, right? And that's just your YouTube channel, dog. You don't do it for anybody, just do it for yourself, you feel me? Just track your progress. The right people gonna find you. Rule number 9, the waiting game. Just do the right thing and put the phone down. Go do your job, go do your next job. Let the trade run out. Let it hit your take profit. Push your stop loss into profit and go about your day. Okay? Don't go put no crazy lot sizes. That's gonna wipe you out. You feel me? Your lot sizes depends on how much you got in your account. Rule number 10. Remember to have fun, people, and have a lovely night. It's your boy DJ Pips. You feel me? We safely arrived in our topology. You feel me? In the right land is DJ Pips 203, you know, straight to Atlanta. Giving you the game of Forex. I made my mistake so you could fly. I'm out, baby. Let's get this money.